Hello, you are watching Cần Thơ News and now today's slash. The National Assembly discussed a draft law amending and supplementing a number of articles of the law on credit institutions on May 29. Cần Thơ University Hospital held a ceremony to celebrate its third founding anniversary and inaugurate the Department of Traditional Medicine and Rehabilitation. The launching ceremony of the Action Month for Children 2025 with the theme prioritizing resources to complete goals for children. Top news today. On the morning of May 29, the National Assembly discussed the draft law amending and supplementing a number of articles of the law on credit institutions. The amendment aims to remove difficulties and obstacles in the handling of bad debts and collateral assets of credit institutions, and at the same time perfect the mechanism for organizations to buy, sell, and handle debts, and etc. Deputies emphasized that the amendment and supplementation of the law should consider the overall relationship between credit institutions and depositors because the main source of credit capital is mobilized by credit institutions from the people. Therefore, the handling of bad debts and collateral will affect the ability of credit institutions to repay deposits, affecting Social Security and order regarding the regulations on the seizure of collateral. The deputy suggested that there should be specific solutions from the government to ensure the enforcement of the law in a fair, strict, consistent, timely, effective, and efficient manner. In the morning discussion session, the majority of deputies basically agree with the contents of the amendments to the law on credit institutions and at the same time proposed many points that need to be further specified and improved, especially related to protecting the legitimate rights of the parties and managing risk in lending activities. Also, on the morning of May 29, Cần Thơ University Hospital held a ceremony to celebrate its third founding anniversary and inaugurate the Department of Traditional Medicine and Rehabilitation. Cần Thơ University Hospital officially came into operation on June 18, 2022 with a scale of 300 beds. After 3 years of continuous development, it has resolved, examined, treated, and provided timely emergency care to nearly 265,000 patients. On this occasion, the Department of Health and the hospital also commended individuals and groups with outstanding achievements in 3 years of operation and officially opened the Department of Traditional Medicine and Rehabilitation, equipped with advanced equipment to perform traditional medicine procedures such as electroacupuncture, hydroacupuncture, thread implantation, acupressure, Basic and advanced rehabilitation methods have been to improve the quality of medical examination and treatment. At Cần Thơ Children's Hospital, in first 3 weeks of May 2025, a number of children hospitalized with hand, foot, mouth disease tended to increase compared to the same period of last year. In the first 20 days of May 2025, the hospital received 550 children with hand, foot, mouth disease, of which 115 were inpatients, an increase of 72%, and outpatients increased by 38% compared to the same period last year. From the beginning of the year until now, the hospital has treated 2,859 children with hand, foot, mouth disease, of which 509 were inpatients. Specialists said hand, foot, mouth disease has signs such as children having high fever continuously, often static when sleeping, vomiting continuously, lethargy, rapid breathing or difficulty breathing, working disorderly, blistering rash in the mouth, palms, soles, buttocks, knees. Hand-foot-mouth disease can cause serious and dangerous complications such as encephalitis, myocarditis, heart failure, acute pulmonary edema, high blood pressure, circulatory collapse, and death if not detected early and treated promptly. Also on the morning of May 29, the Department of Health of Cần Thơ City coordinated with Cần Thơ City Youth Union to organize launching ceremony of the Action Month for Children 2025 with the theme prioritizing resources to complete goals for children. Opening speech, Vice Chairwoman of Cần Thơ City People's Committee Nguyễn Thị Ngọc Điệp affirmed child care education and protection is a strategic, long-term issue contributing significantly to the preparation and improvement of human resource quality to serve the cause of industrialization, modernization of the country, and international integration. It's recommended that party committees at all levels, authorities, organizations, families, schools, and the whole society immediately deploy activities in response to the Action Month for Children 2025 in a practical, diverse manner suitable to the characteristics and situation of each locality, agency, and unit, in which it's necessary to focus on promoting propaganda to effectively implement the party's guidelines and policies and the state's laws on child care, education, and protection. At the launching ceremony, the Department of Health of Cần Thơ City and Cần Thơ City Youth Union signed a plan to coordinate the organization of activities in response to the Action Month for Children 2025. On this occasion, the Department of Health of the city mobilized support for 20 scholarships, each worth 1 million and gifts for 20 students who have overcome difficulties to study well and have difficult circumstances in the city. Responding to the Action Month on Occupational Safety and Hygiene (OSH) in 2025, on the morning of May 29, Cần Thơ City People's Committee Trade Union organized a conference to disseminate legal regulation on OSH, prevention on occupational disease, prevention of epidemics among workers and employees, and building a smoke-free working environment for more than 100 unionists. The media conference aims to strengthen the strict implementation of the law on prevention and control of tobacco harms among workers and employees, and to organize the implementation of building a smoke-free office environment, regulations of the law on occupational safety and health, on the responsibilities of employers, instructions for establishing health records for workers. At the same time, guide regulations on disease prevention of HIV prevention for young people today. In addition, it also aims to raise awareness and compliance with the law on occupational safety and health for workers and employers, promote the implementation of risk control and measures to improve working conditions, take care of workers' health, and limit occupational accidents and disease. Cần Thơ City People's Committee has scheduled an action plan to ensure food quality and safety, increase processing and develop the agricultural, forestry, and fishery market by the year 2025 in the city. To achieve the above goals, the city has set out 6 main groups of tasks and solutions, including perfecting legal policies, standards, and regulations, perfecting the organization of apparatus, improving the quality of human resources, and investing in and upgrading facilities, disseminating and popularizing legal policies, information and communication, digital transformation, applying information technology, implementing work to ensure food quality and safety, increasing processing and market development, monitoring, inspection, examination, and post-audit work. And now a quick check on weather condition. Thank you very much for your attention. Please visit us on website Cần Thơ TV.vn. Bye for now.